Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 asks you to find two numbers that total. It says the sum of two numbers is 25. If 3 times the first number is twice the second number, find the numbers. So in two numbers that total problem, there is actually a trick to defining your variables or writing expressions for each variable. But once you know the trick, you'll be able to define them. And it's actually a pretty common structure in math problems. We have two numbers, the first number and the second number. Well, the first number is easy. One of the numbers is always going to be x. It's the second number that we have to use the trick for. So let's think about a piece of wood or a small little board that's 25 inches long total. If I cut a piece off, what's left is going to be 25 minus whatever I cut off. For example, if I cut off 1 inch, what's left would be 25 minus 1, or 24. If I cut off 2 inches, what's left would be 25 minus 2, or 23 inches. So if I cut off x from the board, what's left would be 25 minus x. And so my second number is always going to be the total, 25, minus the first number, which we'll always define as x. The second part is just translation. It says if 3 times the first number is twice the second number, find the numbers. So I have my word is, that's my equal sign like we did in the first few problems. The left side expression is 3 times the first number. Well, the first number is x, and 3 times that would be 3x. The right side expression says twice the second number. Well, the second number is 25 minus x, and I want 2 times that, and remember to put it in parentheses because the number itself is represented by 25 minus x. And so my equation says 3x equals 2 times 25 minus x. And now I can solve. The left side is simplified. The right side has a distributive property. 2 times 25 is 50, and 2 times negative x is negative 2x. Now I'm going to gather my variables on one side and my numbers on the other. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides to keep my variable positive. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Negative 2x plus 2x is 0. 0 plus 50 is 50. And now I'll divide both sides by 5 to make my coefficient 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1x, and 50 divided by 5 is 10. So x equals 10, which means my first number is equal to 10. My second number is going to be equal to 25 minus 10. So it's like I cut 10 inches off the board. The second number would be 25 minus 10, and my answer would be 15. So my first number is 10, and my second number is 15. Once you know the total trick, you'll always be able to define both of the numbers.